from the start of the campaign period, dapat candidate ka na. The reason for this is because yung intention mo to run for public office has become definite na. Kasi the fact of filing a COC, nagkakaroon na ng public announcement that you are running for a particular position. And by manifesting publicly your intention to run, dapat po lahat ng regulatory provisions which should apply to candidates, dapat magsimula na po yan. But apparently, mag-aantay pa ng 4 months. So, ang disadvantage ito, for example, is kung incumbent ka, you have the full advantage of using state resources in promoting your candidacy. So, it creates that very unfair situation, especially from the point of view of a challenger na hindi ka nakaupo at saka wala ka sa poder. So, I think we need to seriously reconsider whether or not we should delete that line in RA 8436.